Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you me doing a technique that I saw Vanessa Nails on Instagram doing. I've got a thin clear base down of acrylic and I'm going in with a gel polish marble, and to do this marble I saw Vanessa Nails, she sort of dotted on layers of colour of gel polish into a nail tip and then kind of pour it onto the nail, and she made it look so effortless. I found doing this really messy. You can see I was cleaning up quite a lot there. Excuse me, I've just woken up. Yeah, so it was quite difficult because I felt like I was trying to stop the gel polish running into cuticles and having to clean it up all the time, but I definitely prefer the method of using a brush to pick up a marble that you've made on a palette next to you. But yeah, I thought it was worth a try, and I thought that I'd show you that I tried it and it wasn't perfect, but yeah. And so now in like the negative spaces I'm just adding some clear acrylic and then these little shards of like a kind of mermaid paper that I cut up, and I think I got this from Diamond Glitters. So I'm just putting that on, and then when I've done that I also come in with some blue holographic shards, which are also from Diamond Glitters, I think. And then once that's all done, I'll just encapsulate the nails. I file off camera, but I have shown you me top coating and a clip of the finished look at the end. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one soon. Oh, and if obviously you've got any questions, then just pop them in the comments or just say hello, and yeah, I'll try and reply to you all. Thank you, bye.